everyone. Hope you have a nice day today. So my name is Olga. I'm originally from Ukraine, and I started my master's program last year, and now I'm just finishing up my last semester at Hopkins. This summer, I was a product manager intern at Fanatics, and Fanatics is a global leader in sports merchandise. And before joining the company, I basically thought that Fanatics is only the fanatics.com when you go to the website and you can choose your favorite jersey and that's it. But obviously, it's not that simple. So Fanatics has three main revenue streams and basically three main parts of the company. First of all, it's of course e-commerce website that we all can go to and order anything we want. Another one, it's in-venue retail. Is when you go to a stadium and you have this whole like nice, beautiful stores with Fanatic experience where you can just really immerse yourself in the sports atmosphere. And then finally, the wholesale and brands division, because Fanatics also works with brands like Nike and Top of the World and all other big names to manufacture the sports good for them. So as a part of my internship, I was a part of brands and brands and manufacturing product team. And specifically, I was working on software tools that basically power the whole manufacturing process from coming up with a design for a specific product to then manufacturing it, shipping it, and making sure that it ends up being at the customer. I was kind of like, we can split product manager position into main sections. It's the discovery and the execution. Discovery is when you try to understand what to build, and execution is how you actually do it. I kind of like had a chance to work on both, but I want to speak about the discovery part that I've done. And basically it was a new product from scratch with the goal to automate the process of developing and distributing packaging instructions. And I never thought that the way how your pants can be packed can matter so much to a business, but it actually does, because it costs a lot of money if it's done wrong, and with the scale and the global shipment and all of that, it costs really fortune for a company to misunderstand them or to kind of like fail. As a part of this, I was talking to a merchandising team and to operations team in Fanatics and trying to understand their needs and basically doing the research. After that, as a final result of my project, I made a prototype in Figma and presented it to senior leadership to secure the approval for development, and everything went successfully. So I was really happy about that. In terms of tools and skill set, obviously, I used Jira software and Confluence to communicate with the development teams, and also, as I mentioned, Figma to develop the prototype. I used Lucidchart to develop the flow charts, and also the concepts of OKRs and technologies such as Cloud PubSub to kind of like understand the microservice infrastructure of the product. But I think the main takeaways that I had from this experience is something I have at the bottom of the slide. It's communication, business results, and curiosity. Because no matter like which tools you use that you can see on the right, it's all about how to communicate your ideas and how to make sure that people understand you, either it's just like drawing or speaking or presenting numbers. Business results is that any action and any product should have a business result behind it. And I think that this is a very significant shift from the school projects to the business project, because not necessarily everything is just for the matter of the project, but for the matter of the business result. And finally, curiosity, and never to be afraid question how things work right now and why they work like that, because just by simply answering why, you can end up uncovering so many interesting things and problems and things to improve. So I took those things and lessons learned to kick off my last semester and to finish the degree and then move to the full-time product management position. And yes, let me know if you have any questions about Fanatics or internship or Hopkins.